All the students, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Speak with me. Let us join us. See the best. Hands up and speak with me. Let us join us. See the best. How is the Josh?
Yes, sir.
Hi sir. Speak hi sir. Okay. How is the Josh? Very good. I am the best. I am the best. Hands up and with Josh speak with me. I am the best. I am the best. If I can do, if I can do, because you are the best. Sit down, all of you. Thank you. All the students ready to speak. There are two topics. First is village life and second is town life. You have to choose only one-sided. You have to choose village life or you have to choose town life. If you have to choose village life, then you support village and speak with Josh. So let's continue. How is the Josh? Nice. Note voice. Lordly voice should be. Okay? How is the Josh? Speak. How is the Josh? Hands up and speak. Hands up. After that, speak. Okay? Just like hands up. उसके बाद हमें क्या है बोलनी. ठीक है? Okay. So let's continue. How is the Josh? How is the Josh? Very good. So one by one, all the students are participants there, and many of the students listener also here. So thank you all of you to participate in this GT. It is the platform. It is the platform to speak something. If you want to speak something, after that you have to speak, and you have to speak. You have to need some words. Which words can be collected by your GT? Okay. So what should be preparation? What should be your opinion about village life and town life? Village life is good or bad? What is your opinion? First, I want Rita Kumari stand up and speak about your opinion. What is good, village or town?
Yes, sir.
Hello guys, please listen to me carefully. I am Rita Kumari. I am in the favor of city life. According to me, city life is much better than village because in city we can easily find all facilities like in the field of education. In big cities there are good arrangement of education. In the big college, even universities are available. There are also a large number of schools, both government and village private. This arrangement do not exist in small towns and villages. In the field of medical, cities also provide many sufficient facilities. There are also a number of hospitals in which the poor get free medicines and treatment. Indeed, lack of such medical arrangement is the main drawback of village. In the field of amusement and recreation, cities also provide many opportunities of amusement and recreation. In every city there are also cinema houses and multiplex where we can enjoy with family. There are also many parks and gardens where we can enjoy the best natural beauty. City is also lacking of such facilities. The most important advantage of cities are availability of huge opportunities for employment. There are centers of trade and commerce as well as offices of many multinational companies. Persons with different qualifications can easily find job to suit them. In village, employment is available mostly in farming. Only seasonal employment is available to large population in village. However, there are some disadvantages also. The whole atmosphere is polluted with dust and smoke. It is because many industries and vehicles run in the cities, but in the village there is lack of electricity and roads are very muddy. Village people have to face many difficulties like traveling, such lack of education system, high education, hospital, and absence of latest technology. In village, girls are not allowed to get high education. We can see women exploitation in village due to male dominant society. Many girls are forced to marry at very early age. In village, we see child marriage. That it does not happen in village. That's why the city is better than village.
Very good, very good. Also, we say that town life is very good to the comparison to village life. Just like there are many facilities and the girls are not allowed to a higher education. That is the most important point. In city, it does not happen. Girls or boys, both are going to higher education in town life. But in village life, girls have married by his parents, by her parents. So we can say that many of the things which in city is good. So what is opinion in the next of the next student? Mrs. Rambai Kumari, stand up and speak. What is your opinion?
Good morning all of you. My name is Rambai Kumari. I belong to ASO. Today I speak about my village life. Village life is a life of factories. It is very simple. It is free from the troubles and anxieties of the world. They are free from thieves and pickpocket of the town. In the village, the people got free air to enjoy. There is a good supply and fresh vegetables and milk is village. Thanks.
Very good. This is right that there are many thieves and robbers are available in your city because there is many rich men live in city. Where the rich man, the thieves also live. So we can say that there are many problems in the city, just like Ramdas says, milk and fresh vegetables we cannot get in the city. We can only get in village. That's why village life is better according to Ramdev Kumar. And next participants, Mrs. Lakshmi Kumari, speak and what is your opinion?
Good morning all of you. I am Lakshmi Kumari. Over here I belong to ASO as far as my educational qualification is concerned. I am the student of class 12 from JK College. Today I am very happy to get a chance to speak something about town life. Town life is a very pleasant. A rich man can enjoy all sorts of comfort there. In town there are all colleges, university for higher education and cinema hall for amusement, experienced doctor, nurses and a hospital are also available in town. There is a good facility for trade, commerce and industry in town. Most of the people in a town have good sources of earning, so the standard living of town. People is higher than that of the people living in a village hands. The city provides the excellent medical service. So we can say that town life is better than
Very
this.
good, very good. This is like that town life has a good and good medical services because in town there is many health centers also there. In a half points and in a short places there are many health cares, but in village it is not facility available in the village. So we can say that according to Lakshmi, town life is better than village life. And next, Mrs. Sweta Kumari, what is your opinion? Town life or village life?
Good
morning, all of you, respected director and my dear friends. My name is Srita Kumari. I study in class 12th to speak something about village life. As we can that the life of village is very good and beautiful. We live in the village with population in and honest. We get clean water and oxygen in the village. We in the town due to population we do not get clean air and oxygen. Thank you.
Very good. No problem. This is the learning period, so that's happened with this with her. So she want to say that village has a fresh water and clean water, clean air. We get. So we can say that village life is better than town life. Third participants, Mrs. Lakshmi Yadav, speak. What is your opinion?
I am Lakshmi Yadav. As far as my educational qualification is concerned, I am the student class 12th from JK College, Biroj, Darbhanga. Thank you, sir, to give me such opportunity to speak something about town life. Life of the city is very modern life in the city life. There are the most luxuriation and comfort the people of city enjoys much by these facilities. The city is the most beautiful place, which agrees to the people from can't be better town. Town life is better than village life. Town life is a very pleasant to a rich man. He can enjoy all sorts of comfort there. In towns there are colleges and universities for here. Educational cinema halls for amusement experience, doctors, nurses and hospitals are also available in town. There is a good facility for commerce and industry in town. Most of the people of the Minnesota and center of town of village. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Lakshmi Yadav. If I want to say that the facility is good, and there are many things which is beautiful in the town. So we can say that town life is better than village life. And next participants, Mrs. Pinky Kumari, speak. And what is your opinion, town life or village? Okay, speak.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you, everybody, everyone. My respected director, principal, teacher, all of my dear friends. My name is Pinky Kumari. I study in class 12th to speak something about village life. As we can guide the life of village is very good and beautiful. We living in the village with peacefully and honest. We get clean water and oxygen in the village, which in the town to population we do not clean and oxygen. From of share and care in the village joint family. Thank you.
Very good. According to Pinky, in a village life, we all things share and care also. We care about children, we care about many of others, which is neighbors or not. But in the city, it is not more sympathy in the city life. So we can say that in the unity, village life is better. Okay. Next participants, Mrs. Sugam Kumari, speak. And what is your opinion? Speak about.
Thank you, sir, and all my dear friends. Good morning, all of you. My name is Sugam Kumari, my respected principal, teacher, and all my dear friends. Today I am very glad to get a chance. I speak about the town life is better. The most important advantage of cities are availability of one opportunity for employment. They are center of trade and commerce as well as many multinational companies in farming in the place. Person with different qualification can easily find job to suit them in deserts employment find easily mostly in farming. Due to farming on seasonal jobs of farming everywhere in seasonal jobs of farming in the desert. There are many types of city, such as small and such as big city. There are many factories in the city. All the factories are good, big hospital, big buildings, big schools, and other things. All the things are good. The roads of Flint in the city. The city life is very beautiful. So we can say that city life is better than village life. Thank you.
Very good. So according to her, in village there is a job, but only in the field of farming. But in the city there are many jobs. There are many jobs in the city, just like in the education field, just like in the medical field, just like in any other fields. We can say that in the field of job, education and medical, and in the field of such types of job which is available in your city. So employment is also going in the city. Very good, according to Sugam Kumari. And next participants, Mrs. Choti Kumari. Speak. What is your opinion?
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you, everyone. My name is Choti Kumari. I study in class 12. To speak something about village life. As we know that the life of village is very good and beautiful. We living in the village with peacefully and honest. We get clean water and oxygen. Thank you.
Very good. It is speaking for very well. It is the pressure student. So doesn't happen not matter what is speaking. But it is like that village has a clean air and the village has many of freshness, fresh food and fresh vegetables. So we can say that village life is good. Very good. Next participants, Mrs. Gunja Kumari. Speak. What is your opinion? Speak.
Myself, I belong to ASU as far as educational qualification is concerned. I am the student class 8 from middle school Katwara Town. Today I speak about town life. Town is very beautiful. Town has very beautiful garden because in city we can easily find our facilities like heat, education, big hospitals, public transport, maintain roads, shopping malls, job, employment, and for entertainment and cinema garden. I completely disagree with that villagers are hard workers. Some villagers are late risers from that city are early risers. But in city, village there is lack of luxury. City and roads are very muddy. And village in India is still in graph of super skills. Thanks.
It is right that the electricity and the malls and other things which is said by Gunja Kumari is not available in village. So we can show that in the field of facilities it is better. It is city is better than village life. So next Mrs. Sandhana Kumari, stand up and speak. What is your opinion?
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, all of everyone. My name is Sandhana Kumari. My class
Well,
12 to speak something about village life. The village people eat
pure and would also mean there are is fresh and pure. Thank you.
Right. Your program, the people of village is pure, I mean pure and fresh and honesty. We can say that the villagers has many sympathy for others. Very good, Sanjana Kumari. And what is your opinion, Mrs. Kushbu Kumari, standard, and what is your opinion, speak?
Good morning, all of you, my respected principal teacher and all my dear friends. My name is Kushbu Kumari. I belong to Ansu. I study in class 7 from Middle School, Katvaya. Today I am very glad to get a chance to say something about my choice is village town life.
Round up, listen to.
There are many cities in our country. Cities also provide many opportunities for amusement and recreation. It is an international city. Transport system of my city is very unique. In every city there are a number of houses and multiplexes where we can enjoy with family. Also a number of restaurants and hotels are available for better and good variety. There are also many parks, house building and gardens we can enjoy with villagers are always lacking such facilities. Thank you.
Very good. It is like that according to good facilities. There are many facilities in city just like burger, pizza, samosa, litti, we can say that also. So that is samosa, litti is available in village, but pizza, burger and many such types of fast food which is not available in the village. So we can say that in the food facilities, city life is higher than village life. So after that, Mrs. Chandni Kumari, what is your opinion? Not making noise.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Chandni Kumari. I belong to Asa as for educational qualification is concerned. I am the student of class 7 from Middle School, Varakat. Today I speak about my choice is village life is better. Life in a village is the reflection of natural beauty, green trees and gardens. Village people enjoy fresh air. They enjoy cold winds and natural scenery. There is no much traffic in village. People of village are very simple. They are not disturbed by undesired sounds and noise. They are very active and smart. They lead a busy life. They are very hardworking. They get up early in the morning and go to fields. Man and woman work together in fields. They work from dawn to evening. Village people live in open houses. Their houses are big. They eat healthy food. They use better and fresh milk is diet. There is no college and universities. There are no quality and education. Mostly there are schools in our village. I like village in life. Thank you so much.
Village life, this is very best experience over here. So we can say that there is no college and university, but there is school, but it is peacefully. According to Chandni Kumari, all the facilities just like farming, both men and women go to farming in his field, in her field, and that farming is done at evening. So we can say that we live peacefully and there is many facilities also just like fresh milk and all over the facilities according to Chandni Kumari. So village life is better than town life. Next, Mrs. Reena Kumari speak. What is your opinion?
Good morning, all of you, my respected principal teacher and all my dear friends. Myself, Reena Kumari. I belong to ASE. As far as my educational qualification is concerned, I am the
I am the student of class 8 from Middle School Katwara Ghat. Today I am excited to say something about my choice. The child life is better. Cities also provide safe and medical facilities almost in every city. There are good hospitals in which the poor get free medicines and treatment. Many qualified doctors are nurses also there to serve the sick and the suffering. Indian lack of people such as medical or establishment due lack of this. The people of the northern hospital and big building with big school in the town. The roads is clean in the town. We go to town to park. Town is very beautiful. So we can say that town life is better than village life. Thank you, teacher, and all my dear friends.
Right. So it is like that the villagers has no dustbin. Doesn't use dustbin by villagers, but in city there is clean road because of dustbin. All the dust is thrown in the dustbin according to Rina Kumari. So we can say that city life is better than village life. And next participants, Mrs. Jyoti Kumari, speak what is your opinion?
थैंक यू सर। हर किसी के हाथ में बिक जाने से तैयार हूँ। यह मेरा गांव है, शहर का अखबार नहीं। Myself, Jyoti Kumari, I belong to Ashwarta I am a student, class 8 from Middle School Katwara Ghat. Today I speak about my village. It is far villagers are always natural due to be their self-education by nature. On the other hand, most cities are man-made. There are natural to environment of the villages of the charms, beauty, flower and the birds. आपस में प्रेम सदाव और सम्मान है। मेरे गांव की मिट्टी की खुशबू महान है।
This is the impressive that Saidi is said by Jyoti Kumari, and that Saidi is very important for your students. Okay? So that Saidi listen. All the students carefully listen to all the participants because listening is very important.
शायरी के तो सीख के आ गई है।
Okay, next participants is Mrs. Sasi Kumari. Speak what is your opinion?
Good morning, all of you, my friends, teacher, and all my dear friends. My name is Sasi Kumari. I belong to Vasu High School. My educational qualification is concerned. I am the student class Middle School Katwara Ghat. Today I am very glad to say exam. Something about my choice is town life is better. In big city there are good arrangement of education. The big college universities are available. There are also large number of schools, government and private in the big cities. These arrangements do not exist in small town and village.
Thank you. Very good. The smartness is available in the town, but not in the village. According to Sasi Kumari, so we can say that town life is better. According to Sasi. Next participants, Mrs. Arpana Kumari. It is said that they come in a छोटा लगे गाँव करे कम पे.
वाह वाह वाह.
Listen.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Arpana Kumari, respected principal teacher, and all my dear friends. Today I am very glad I shall something about education. The village life is better. Cities are having a variety of from various cultures, but here India and
Little speaking, but while well speaking, customs and culture and civilization, which is followed in only village. Many cities has followed the modernism. Modernism is not so good, and the civilization and culture of our India is good in our village only. Okay. Next participants, Nitish Kumar, what is your opinion about village life and town life? Yes, please.
My name is Nitish Kumar. I belong to Assam. As for my educational qualification, I am a student of class 10 from Uttarmik Madhyamik Vidyalaya, Karimnagar. Today, I want to say something about town life. Town life is a very design to a rich man. He can enjoy all sorts of comfort there to job. There are colleges and university for higher education, cinema hall for amusement, theaters and hospitals are also available. There is a good faculty for trade, commerce and industries. Most of the people of town have good source of earning. We can say that town life is a better than village life.
Town life is very pleasant, no problem. It is said by Nitish Kumar. And this is the best speaking. Next participants, Mr. Mukesh Kumar, speak. What is your opinion? Town life and village.
Good morning, sir, and good morning, everybody. Today I am very happy because today is very grateful chance who gave me the golden chance to be on here. Okay, so I am really very happy. I can't share with you like how much I am happy. Okay, and first of all, I am in favor of like village life. Really, village life is a very better than city life because I am first of all proud of it. Because I live in village and born and brought up also village. There was many freedom fighter here in village, not like city.
Yeah.
So really I am proud of it. And here is a village life. Here is there are many farmer and farmers like provide us survive our country. So really I am proud of feel of our village life. Village life is better than city life. Here is if you live in village life, then here you got the pure environment and got the pure air. Okay, and here is a very beautiful nature in village life, not like city life. City life has there is many polluted area and crowded area. And really I had in city life. And you can say village life, all students are respect to each other and parents. But that's girls say to me city life girls is provide the has education of higher. Yeah, I know very well. But city life girls has no respect to our fathers, not our friends. But here girls is every boys and girls and students here is samaj and respect to each other. This is a big point. And here is if you live in village life, then you got you can say fresh vegetables and you can say fresh milk. Here is everything available in fresh. And here is no any environment is dust. Here is no any dust. But city life has there is many dust here and there. If you live in Delhi, Delhi is famous of polluted area, right? And village is better, not like city is better. I'm always proud of village life, not a city life. So village life is better than city life.
Very good. So please write that village has many features according to Mukesh Kumar. So we can say that village life is better than town life. It is like that the respectness. Just like Arpana also said that the customs and civilization and culture, which is followed in village. And if you want to respect your father, you have to live in village. Because the people of city is not higher respected to his father, it is right there. Okay, according to Mukesh Kumar. So the next participants, Mr. Abhishek Kumar, what is your opinion?
Something about village life. Village,
Speak loudly. Listen.
Symbology of India. Here, love is here and there. Very young here, which comes from complete mansion. Most of the farmer living in the village. Began because of work very hard and farmer life in honesty. Farmer child is not of many of the area. I like you.
Very good. Village life has many features according to Abhishek Kumar, so we can say that village life is better. As speak what you think.
My name is Pradesh Kumar. I am studying in class 10. I give to represent a topic and my topic is village life. As we now said, the life of village is very good and beautiful. We live in the village with peacefully and honesty. We get clean air and oxygen in the village. Why in the strong due to population, we do not get clean air and oxygen. Thank you, sir.
Very good. We cannot get pure air and oxygen in the city. It is possible in your village. So we can say that village life is good. Next participant is Pankaj Kumar. Please, what is the figure?
I am happy to give a chance something about village life. Life in the village and really enjoyable and peaceful. Village
Very good. Okay. So no problem at all. Now the time is asking questions. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Very good. All the students have a questions to anybody. The village life has questions. The village life participants has questions to the town life. So all the students listen carefully. What is asked and what is answered. So all the students written on your copy what is your question. So one by one I go to you and ask the questions. First Pranita Kumari speak what is your question. No questions, very good. No questions. How many students have questions? Please raise your hand. How many students have questions? Please raise your hand. Yes, very good. SM Pranita Kumari. Only one question asked. What is question? To him. Speak.
My question to
Leslie Kumari questions. Speak.
how can I say that God lives in village?
Yeah. How can you say that God live in village? Okay? Camera. Speak. How can you say that God live in village? Answer or not? If not, I am sorry. Speak. I am sorry. Speak.
I am sorry.
Okay. So, what is God? First of all, you have to know that. Yeah. How can you say that God live in only village?
Please, sir, I have not survived that God is everywhere.
Everywhere, yeah.
First of all, God is everywhere, not a village, not a city.
Yeah.
If you have belief, you can say God is everywhere. But most of people survive most of people like village like God is in village because village people always time believe in God. In like there is very temple, not like city life has many temple, but village has every village has 2-3 temple. So that's why village people always time believe in God. That's why village in village.
The faith and the belief of village people is very good in according to Mukesh Kumar. So we can say that God living village, not only God is everywhere. Okay, sit down. Next question, Khushbu Kumar. Last. SP.
My question to Jyoti Kumar.
SP.
How can you say that in village only charms of beauty of flowers and birds?
Very good. How can you say that only village have charms of beauty, flowers and birds? City has also birds, flowers, there are many gardens. Okay, that is the best question. Speak. Speak. Something, anything you know about. Charms of beauty. No. Okay, good. Next, the charms of beauty that is in village. Village has no specific garden, but in every family, in everywhere, we can say that in every family also flowers and there are many birds in village. In city due to pollution and factories, many birds are killed by the pollution. So we can say that many of charms beauty live in village. City has garden has only beauty, not everywhere. So we can say that village have charms of beauty everywhere. Next, what is your question? You answer. Answer the by explanation. What is your question? Explain.
How can you say that city life is a very costly?
City life is very costly. Give me answer. Yeah, very good. Answer. City life is very
Because
costly.
some people are die in road accident.
Very good. Some people are dying road accident and some people are dying due to the medical facility also. And the age, I mean duration of living is also low in the city. So we can say that costly life in city. Very good. City has costly life. It means in Hindi called empty. Why? Because there are many vehicles here and there are many facilities, no problem. But the pollution and the all problems are available in only city because city has facility and also problem. So we can say that life living in the city is very costly, not simple. Okay? Simple. Next, Sulam Kumari has question.
My question for Chandni.
Chandni, speak.
How can you say that also food is dirty in the city? What?
In the city, yeah. You said food is dirty in city. Yeah, speak. Any problem you should speak about food. Answer. Very good, no problem. Anybody has answered? It is no said that food is dirty, food is good, but there are many fast food. There are many fast food in the city which is not helpful, which is harmful for your body. So we can say that food is not good in city. Okay. Thank you. And what is any questions?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No. Villagers have any questions? Yeah. Speak not loud.
Right?
Yeah. Speak.
City are tell us why we food there.
What is your question? Speak.
If we are generous, why do good that go there?
कट्टे से बचे
What is it? Speak again. इनसे को पूछो क्या पूछना चाहते हैं?
सार खतरनाक होते हैं पर परसेंट वहाँ पर क्यों जाते हैं?
Yeah. City is dangerous, but when you get illness, why do you go to city? That is question. Because village have no any facilities. Just like an example. Speak. विलेज में लोग बीमार पड़ते हैं तो सिटी जाते हैं तो सिटी डेंजरस कैसे हो? That is already question. Speak.
Because in villages are not big hospitals, so we can say that town life is big hospital. Then village people are born in the city. Are you satisfied my answer?
Yeah, very good. So we can say that village has no facility of hospital. That's why we go to town to treatment. Okay, sit down. Next question, villages sit down. What questions are we ask? Anybody? Villages have questions. Speak. Speak quickly. My question to Sugam Kumari. Speak. Sound is very good. Yes, sir. Sound is very good. How can you say that? Listen.
Really, town life is very beautiful. Big hospitals, big gardens, and any things, all the things are so we can say that city life is good. Are you satisfied my answer?
Yes, very good. If we have many facilities, that's why city is good. That is simple. Okay, next question. Villagers. Yeah.
Okay, sir. I'm asking question. I have forgotten the person now.
Punita.
Okay, sir. So first of all, my question is, how can say like a city life has like a facility of education facility, and here students are very intelligent. How can say? Because here is also big like college and a school. Every village has a school. How can say? What's your opinion and what's your thought?
Yeah. Every village has also a school. How can you say that only in town there are big facility of education?
In village, some student in farming, but in village, in cities, students in non-farming. It is
Yeah, speak no problem.
students only focus on
On study.
on study and play.
Yeah.
But in village,
Yes.
it does not.
Students busy in farming.
Yes.
Yeah, very good.
I'm not satisfied of
You are not satisfied, no problem.
Yes.
Yes. Speak.
I know village, in village, college and school, and in cities, college and schools. But in cities, many students are studying college and school. But in village, many students are not studying English school regularly.
Yeah. That is good. That is not very good. No problem. We can say that this is no problem that village have school, colleges, but the system of education in village is not good. So we can say that it is depend upon the students. The student is laborious, then he can get success in his life. That's yeah.
Actually, he is saying to you like, sorry.
No
He is saying to me like village cities like students are very laborious. How can say? I mean that village life are students, all students are very laborious. You can say all students are like fear the good law. And if you like find the village city life students, all city life students are wear the cloth like cut the jeans and hairstyle is not a good. But village life students are very peaceful and you can say very laborious and honest students. Or you can say. So I am really proud of village life student, not a city life student. And here is also education system is good, but something actually a problem. Village has problem. Population is not a big, so that's why college is not a every palace have. One college is 6 kilometers, 7 kilometers after one college, because of generation of like population of in our village. So that's why problem.
Okay. We can say that according to religious background, according to the respectable background, village life is better, it is really. But according to facility, there is no rich man in the village. We can say that. So we can say that private school is also useful. But in the private schools also, the education system is not good in village. In the city, there are many facilities. So we can say that according to the educational field, town life is better. And you want to say that just like living style, just like cutting jeans and hair cutting, it is only modernism in the city. So we can say that village life is better in the field such like. Okay, next question, saying village have. Yeah, you just ask. Let's make. Yeah, your question will be specific.
How can you say that village life is bad?
Village life is bad. How can you say that? It is
तुम
not
कर ले
safe.
सर
Ask me your answer.
जुम कर दे
Village life is bad. How can you say?
I can say that village life is bad because village life is very good and town life is very good because village life is low education and town life is higher education.
That's very good. No problem. Town has higher education, but village has not good education. So that's why village life is not bad, but according in the field of education, village life is not so good. Okay. Next question, villagers have. No, you are not asked. Okay. Speak. Reena Kumari, stand up. Nice day.
खड़ा है जब तक वो बैठा है
How can you say that schools are very good education wise?
It has very good education. Yeah, speak. Higher colleges and higher schools. Listen. Speak. The city has good education without.
There are big schools and
There are many facilities.
there are big colleges. So we can say that town life
Education facility is now like this. Very good. Next, anybody has questions? So you are already asked.
One sir, I want one question.
Yeah. Come here.
My question is name of Punita Kumar. Okay, and this question is very hard question. I think. Yeah, but you should try. Okay, no problem. Because you are my friend or my friend. Okay. So first of all, suppose that you can say village life is bad, right? And suppose that village life is bad. So why do you live in village? Did you get my point? Okay.
Yeah, why do you live in village?
Yes.
No problem. It is discussion.
Because I born in village, so
Yeah.
we live in village.
Yeah, very good. It is simple. She was born in village. She is born in village. So it is the compulsion to live in village. If she doesn't like village, she want to go to the city. But parents are in the village, so we should live in village with parents. Very good. And all the students have good performance today? So no, only one question answer. That's why I have some decision, some questions to all of you. Anybody has answer to speak with me and share. Okay? First question is that the education system is good in village or town?
Town.
How many students have answered town? Raise your hand. How many answers have town has good education? Yeah. Chalo, very good. Why and how?
Because there is a good colleges and university and private schools. So I can say that town life is higher. Town life is education higher than the village life.
Very good. And next question that in the medical facilities, which is better, village life and town life? How many answers? Town life. That is like speak volumes. Speech.
Because there are qualified doctors and nurses. So we can say that.
Yeah, very good. It is said that there are many qualified doctors and nurses live in town, so we can say that medical facility is good in town. Very good. And some villagers and town also questions that the fresh food and the milk, which has very calcium. So the fresh food and fresh vegetables and fresh milk is available in town or village? Village. Yeah. What have answered? Which is good in which is the availability of milk, fresh food and vegetables? Yeah.
First of all, sir, really, here is a village life has available all things like vegetable. If you purchase the vegetable, if you purchase the vegetable, you like fresh vegetable, fresh. Okay, and here is like everything is like pure. If you purchase the like milk, you can say purchase in like milk as cow's milk as milk, give us milk. And if you purchase in city like milk, that type of milk is made by like powder, this type of. This is not pure, and village has like milk is pure, so that's why here is everything is pure.
Very good. That is true that in the city it is diluted. Water diluted, you can say that fruits diluted, vegetables and which is grown by injections. We can say also. But in village it is grown by the farmers. Okay, that's why in the field of fresh food and vegetables, village is good. Next questions in the field of what is your conclusion? You should live village life or town life? You should live village life. Why?
Because a village life. Yes, because village life is a very peaceful life. And here is everything is nature is very beautiful nature. If you live in village life, because here like there are many forests and forest like you can say tree gives us oxygen, and in city life has no any oxygen. Okay, oxygen, but you can say maximum oxygen. So that's why I live in always time village life. If you live in village life, then you live in with family, with member, not like alone. If you live in like city, you live in only for alone. So that's why I live in always time life of village.
Very good. You should live in village because you want to live healthy life.
Yes.
You should live village. If you want to facility life and modernism, you should go city. But we can say that both are good. Village and town, both are good. No problem. According to you, what's life you want to live in? Okay, that is your dependence. What is your dependence about city and we can say that village. If you want to simple life, then you should live village. If you want to standard and we can say that not standard, we can say that facilities life, you should live in town. So all the students, that is the finished our cities. No, this is the very good performance all the students have. And the next topic is next topic will be handling. सुनो
बंद कर दो।